Hi, this is Devin Hobb with RE/MAX, and we are in Eagle Mountain today. This home is located in the furthest east part of it, where you can still see Mount Timpanogos, you can see the lake, and in fact, this home has really nice views out the back of it with no neighbors for right now. I'm sure eventually there will be homes put on the field back there, but for a while, there's going to be unobstructed views of the Timpanogos Mountain and the Wasatch Front. I'm going to take you on a tour of this home and the community. The HOA is $20 a month, and it does snow removal on the roads and some of the green space maintenance in the common areas. You do your own landscaping. So $20 a month, it's not too bad, and I'll take you through the inside. The home features 5 bedrooms, the basement's finished, and we'll go through it. It does have a nice little porch here with a rope chair, which I don't think the chair will stay, but it's a nice idea. So here in the entryway, we've got a coat closet right here and a laminate wood flooring entryway. And that transitions to this nice living room. These are 9-foot tall ceilings in here. It's very spacious. And here's the views I was mentioning. So incredible views, no backyard neighbors for now. I'm not sure what plans will ever happen with this land, but for a long time you should have a nice view looking over the lake, right into Provo Canyon, American Fork Canyon, and Mount Timpanogos. It's a beautiful view from the home. And over this way we have the kitchen. There's a lot of cabinet space in here. We've got the white cabinets and stainless appliances. The fridge is included, as well as the washer and dryer. So the sellers will leave everything. This way we've got some additional pantry space, and then a half bath right here with the 12 by 24 tile on the flooring, and then a little mud locker spot here, and then we've got the 2-car garage. So they're getting ready to move and have some stuff, but it's a 2-car garage with some overhead storage as well. I'll take you upstairs and we'll see the 3 bedrooms that are up there. The carpet's in pretty decent shape, but it is original, and the sellers are willing to do a $5,000 flooring allowance at closing if you did want to swap out the carpet. But it's really not dirty. It has been cleaned recently, and so you could do what you want with that $5,000 credit. So we'll start off in the master first. So this is a pretty spacious master bedroom. You got a king-size bed, plenty of space on both sides, lots of natural lighting. And over here we have the white cabinets, some nice hardware that's been installed afterwards, and then we have the separate tub and shower in this large master bathroom. Got a closed off door for the toilet. And then you got a walk-in closet over here with lots of built-in cabinets in there. Here's just a linen closet for more storage space. We'll take you down the hall and see the other bedrooms. So here's bedroom number 2. They've got the nice view overlooking the valley, and it's a double wide closet, about 6 feet wide, double doors. And then this is the hall bathroom, so you got a full shower or a tub shower combo. Here's the laundry room. It is a walk-in laundry room. And then this is bedroom number 3. So again, has very nice views. And this one's got a single door closet, but it's pretty wide. So this bedroom also has some nice woodwork that's been done just to create a little bit more of an accent in the decor. And then there's this loft area here that could be fun for a little gaming station or just a play spot. All right, so the sellers recently finished this basement, so it already has nice new carpet with nice padding underneath, and it's fully finished. So we got some can lights here, nice living room, a fun spot underneath the stairs for a little Harry Potter closet, and then we've got the built-in cabinets here, and then 2 bedrooms and a full bath. So this one here is bedroom number 4. And it's partially above ground. It's not all the way below ground, so it's kind of half and half there, so it does get some nice light. Doesn't feel quite as dungeony. And same thing in this 5th bedroom, which is a home office, but there is a closet right here with some built-in shelves. And again, lots of daylight coming through. And this is a really nice bathroom. So they did a custom tile floor, a nice vanity with quartz countertops, and you got the shiplap on the walls, nice light fixtures. Anyway, really nice bathroom. So I'll take you out to the backyard. All right, so here in the backyard, there's a nice concrete patio, and then just the views. These views are awesome. But we got a gardening bed right here. This white PVC is where the sprinkler system is plumbed for you to add in your own drip lines as needed. And so yeah, they kind of leveled out a spot here for all this. And this way they've got their tiered rock walls that are pretty nice. Have little flower beds here, and then a spot for a trampoline. So it's a nice sized backyard and really private with no backyard neighbors. And the last feature to point out is up here by the barbecue. They had the home built with a gas line, so you could plug your barbecue in right into the natural gas line and not deal with the propane tanks. So that's a nice feature as well. I hope you enjoyed watching this video tour and got a good feel for the home as well as some of the features of it. If you'd like to come and see it in person, feel free to reach out to me or the agent you're already working with and come and see this home. Thanks for watching.